We've all been there before. You've got a beautiful tile floor that gets ruined by dirty or yellowed grout. But those grout lines are difficult to get into and require a ton of scrubbing to even make a dent. Luckily, the Drillbrush Power Scrubber is the perfect tool for the job. Start by adding a little cleaning solution to the surface you want to clean. Not too much though, so we can avoid splatter. Then, grab one of our flat 4 or 5 inch brushes. Tilt the brush at a 45-degree angle so that the edge of the bristles are hitting the grout line. Then just pull the trigger and start scrubbing. Take a look at this. A regular hand brush takes forever to clean between the tiles, and it looks incredibly tiring. The drill brush quickly blasts through built-up grime to clean up grout lines in half the time. So when you have grout to clean, make sure you use one of our Drillbrush flat brushes and our recommended technique. Hi, I'm John from Drillbrush, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This video is a part of our tips and tricks series for our Drillbrush demo page. If you want to see all the videos in this series, we have a link to the page in the description below. And all the videos will be in a playlist here. Thank you for watching, and happy scrubbing!